Hi, Sam. Today we're talking about something very interesting.
Yes, I think many people will like this topic.
We're talking about how you learn to speak good English in 30 days. Wow, that is an amazing achievement, Sam. Congratulations.
Thank you, Alex. It was not easy, but it was possible.
Many people think learning to speak English well takes many years.
That's true. But you can improve a lot in 1 month if you practice every day.
Let me ask you first, why did you want to learn to speak English?
I wanted to learn English because I felt limited. I could understand English, but I could not speak good. When people talked to me in English, I felt nervous and shy. Sometimes I knew the words in my head, but my mouth did not say them. This made me feel very shy. Also, many jobs need English. I wanted better opportunities.
So English was important for your future.
Yes, very important. I knew that if I improved my English, my life could improve too.
How was your English before those 30 days?
Before, my English was very weak. I was afraid to speak. If someone asked me a question, I answered very fast and very short. Sometimes I just said yes or okay, even when I did not understand. I was scared people would laugh at my accent.
Many learners feel the same way.
Yes, I think fear is the biggest problem, not vocabulary.
So what made you decide to change?
One day, I told myself I cannot continue like this. I was tired of being scared. So I made a simple decision. For 30 days, I would practice English every day. Not for many hours, just every day.
That consistency is very important.
Yes, even 20 or 30 minutes every day is powerful.
What did your daily routine look like?
Every morning, I listened to simple English. Not fast English, not difficult English. I listened to conversations like greetings, daily life, work, and hobbies. I listened while walking, eating, or resting.
Did you study grammar?
No, not much. I focused on listening and speaking. Grammar came later.
How did you practice speaking?
I talked to myself. Yes, really. I spoke in front of the mirror. I said simple sentences like, "Today I feel good. I am going to work. I am learning English." At first it felt strange, but after some days, it felt normal.
It is a very good method, Sam.
Yes, because it removes fear.
Were you afraid of making mistakes?
Yes, very afraid. But then I understood something important. Mistakes mean you are learning. Children make many mistakes, but they still learn. So I allowed myself to make mistakes and then learn from them.
That mindset is powerful.
Yes, once I stopped worrying, my speaking became better.
Did you try to speak like native speakers?
No, I spoke simple English. I did not try big words. Simple English is clear English. People understand you more when you speak simply.
That is very true.
Many learners want perfect English, but good English is better than perfect English.
Wow, I love that. Good English is better than perfect English. How did you feel after 30 days?
I felt more confident. My English was not perfect, but I was not afraid anymore. I could answer questions. I could even start conversations. That was a very big change for me.
So confidence was the biggest result in your 30 days?
Yes, confidence changed everything in my ability to speak English.
What advice do you have for our listeners?
My advice would be practice every day. Listen more than you speak at first. Listen twice, repeat once. Use simple English. Don't wait to be perfect. Also remember, good English is better than perfect English. And most important, don't stop, keep practicing every day.
That is very good advice. Thank you, Sam, for sharing your story today.
Thank you, Alex. I hope this helps someone today.
If you made it this far, please leave a like and subscribe for daily lessons.
And remember this, guys, you can improve your English one day at a time.
Thank you for listening to the English Listening Practice Podcast.
Listen again, repeat the sentences, and keep practicing every day.
Bye, guys. Till next time.
Bye, everyone.